How to walk slow in Roblox PC without controller. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to walk slowly in Roblox without using a controller. First of all, look at the default walking speed using the arrow key on your keyboard. To change this, you need to enter any Roblox game and press the escape key, that is ESC key, and from there go to settings and change the movement mode to click to move. After that, click on resume. Now when you right-click anywhere, it will look like you're walking slowly in Roblox. To achieve this effect, make sure to click close to your character, and if you want to switch back to normal walking speed, go back to the settings and select the default keyboard option. You will notice that you're running fast again. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.